how to find where the current transiting planets are affecting your life. Let's dive straight into it. Okay, so you're going to go to astro.com and go over here to My Astro. I've got a profile. You might need to create a profile. In here, we need to go add new astro data. You put your name in here. I'm going to just say example chart and come up with a birthday. We could just do 8:05 a.m. Let's make it Brisbane. Here's our example chart. So you're going to see here, there's extended chart collection and chart drawing. You just want to do the basic one because we want to find where transiting planets are currently hitting you. So here we have a beautiful chart for somebody. Obviously, reading a birth chart is another whole lesson in itself. We just want to know where the current planets are affecting you, and so that you can understand it and read it. Over here, we've got with transits. Click that, and you'll see the little green planets have popped up on the outside. That's the planets in the sky affecting the birth chart. We're going to use Saturn in Aries as our example. So we're going to zoom down here to see this is Saturn sitting right there next to Neptune. Neptune's just gone in a couple of days ago, and we only have 2 more degrees of Saturn before it goes into Aries. We want to know how this is going to affect us in our life. This is the symbol for Aries. We need to find which house Aries rules. To do a little shortcut, down here on the chart, you have ascendant Aquarius. Okay, so we know the Aquarius is on the ascendant. This actually says second house Pisces. Even though the second house is sitting here, Pisces is the ruler because it begins the energy on the house cusp, which is this. So that means Aries is the ruler of this person's 3rd house. This person is going to be feeling Saturn and Neptune going through big energies of their 3rd house, which is study, communication, local travel, local communities, time management. Because they're such a late degree rising and their house cusps sit at the end of the signs, even though Aries rules the 3rd, Saturn will still be sitting in the 2nd. So yes, they're going to feel a lot of new Saturn testing and discipline and responsibility energies in that 3rd house. They're also going to be deepening their 2nd house as Saturn's still sitting in it. So, because you can see it sitting in it, but Aries rules the 3rd and Saturn will be in Aries. So I always look at the 2 houses where the planets are sitting. 2nd house is inner self-worth matched with outer self-worth, which is finances. It's very much the house of worth, but true Saturn lessons here will teach you that your inner worth comes first before outer financial worth matches it. So that is just a super quick way to show you how to check where the transiting planets in the sky are affecting your chart. Obviously, it goes a lot deeper. First, you need to know your chart in depth. Then you need to understand where the transiting planets are because they're helping you achieve your soul's higher purpose, which is in the birth chart. But I feel it's so important to know where the transiting planets, what areas of your life they're affecting, which is the houses, especially Saturn, because that is the area where you get tested and it requires a lot of discipline and mundane reality in order for you to master that house. Anyway, I hope that helps and I'll see you soon.